Hi, this is Dave for ExpertVillage. Today we're going to make some steaks with brandied mushroom sauce. Okay, now here's the culmination of all your hard work putting this together because you're going to get rewarded. You want to got your steaks on your platter. You can see how beautiful and juicy they are. You can see the juice coming out of it just like that. We haven't poked at it or anything like that where it's all running off on the plate. And then we want to get our beautiful sauce just like this and just pour it right over. Of course, you can do this on individual plates if you'd like. I like to present it like this because it's such a beautiful presentation. And again, this is a dinner for two. You can definitely make it for more. This recipe translates really, really well into multiples. So you don't have to worry about if you're going to do it for 8 people. You can use the same recipe and just quadruple it. As I said, this one's for 2. So you get all that beautiful sauce out there. Put your pan aside, and then we'll go with our chopped parsley like you saw us do before, either with kitchen shears or a knife. And this will add a little vibrant color to that. And I like to serve this too with mashed potatoes. It's a perfect match, or a rice dish would work as well.